Hi Vogue, it's Rosie Huntington-Whiteley. I am going to show you how to do a very quick and easy metallic eye look. I would wear this to dinner, out to meet girlfriends in the evening for cocktails. It's versatile and hopefully a little bit glam. First off, I am just going to groom up my eyebrows using a little bit of tinted eyebrow gel. I'm just taking a brush that I used to apply my concealer before and making sure I haven't got any eyebrow gel halfway up my forehead. I'm going to choose a really beautiful glittery eyeshadow that I've been loving at the moment. A little bit of pink, orangey tones to it. So I'm just going to wipe a little bit away on the back of my hand, and this way I can make sure I'm not going to apply too much to the eye. Pushing in the eyeshadow with my finger, and I'm not being too precious about it. And then using an eyeshadow brush, I'm just going to blend the edges. So now I'm just neatening up the underneath with my concealer brush. Next step is I'm going to take a really fine black eyeliner and I'm going to line the upper inner rim of my eyes, just to give my eyes definition without really having an eyeliner look. A great tip is to just bring your mirror down to your chin so you can really see where you need to apply it. I'm going to use a soft brown color to line my lower rim. Work in the eyeliner really into this outer corner. Then with an eyeshadow brush, I'm just going to blend it out, and that'll sort of give me a little bit of a winged eyeliner look. That concealer brush will really be your friend in making sure everything looks blended. Honestly, the little winged tip that I had really came about as a mistake one day where I kind of applied too much eyeliner. And as I blended it away with a brush, I realized that I could get a really soft, kind of gentle feline flick. Next, I'm going to curl and apply mascara to my lashes. Pump up and down and then pull them out really, really gently. If you don't pull away the eyelash curlers gently, you will pull out eyelashes, and I learned that the hard way. For this look, I'm going to apply the mascara to my top and bottom lashes using quick strokes, which will help define your eye shape. Okay, so I'm done on the eyes. I just want to do a little bit of cheek and lip now. I'm going to take this really, really beautiful cheek color, and this again is in a sort of very similar color to my eyeshadow. And I'm just going to apply this into the apples of my cheeks. Because I've already got quite an intense eye, I'm really just going to choose a lip color that's very similar to my own natural lip. I don't want it to look too strong, so it's all about just dabbing it on. Okay, I think I'm done. That is my metallic eye. It was really quick and easy, and I hope you enjoyed watching it. Hi everybody, I'm Rosie Huntington-Whiteley. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you would like to see more videos like this, you can subscribe underneath.